In the triangle ABC, the measure of angle B is 3 times the measure of angle A. The measure of angle C is 9 degrees less. The measure of angle C is 9 degrees less than 6 times the measure of angle A. Find the measure of the angles. Hopefully you remember that the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So all we have to do is just add the angles. We'll have x plus 6x minus 9 plus 3x, and that equals 180 degrees. I like to put like terms next to each other before I do anything. So let's do that. X plus 6x plus 3x minus 9 equals 180. Now let's collect our like terms. X plus 6x is 7x. 7x plus 3x is 10x. So we have 10x minus 9 equals 180. Now what we want to do is to get 10x by itself. That means I have to do the opposite of subtracting 9, which is adding 9. That gives us 10x equals 189. But I need to get x by itself, so I have to divide by 10 on both sides. That gives me x equals 18.9. And this is degrees. Now let's look back at our triangle. X is 18.9 degrees. But what about this angle? This angle is 6x minus 9. We know what x is, so let's put that in. 6 times 18.9 minus 9. And that gives us 104.4 degrees. So angle C is 104.4 degrees. Now to figure out angle B, we could do one of two things. We could take 180 degrees minus 18.9 minus 104.4, and that will give us angle B. Or we notice that angle B is 3x. All we have to do is substitute 18.9 in for x and multiply. And when we do that, we end up with 56.7 degrees. Okay, great. Great. Now it's your turn to try. Let's look at the one you're going to try. Here's your problem. In a triangle ABC, the measure of angle B is 4 times the measure of angle A. The measure of angle C is 2 degrees less than 5 times the measure of angle A. Find the measure of the angles. Pause the video, find the measures, and then press play. We'll work it together. Okay, let's see how you did. Remember, the interior angles of a triangle add to 180 degrees. That means we're going to take x plus 5x minus 2 plus 4x, and that's going to equal 180 degrees. Now, I like to put like terms next to each other first, so that's what I'm going to do. X plus 5x plus 4x minus 2 equals 180 degrees. Let's combine like terms. X plus 5x is 6x. 6x plus 4 is 10x. That gives us 10x minus 2 equals 180. All right. I need to get 10x by itself, so the opposite of subtracting is adding. I'm going to add 2 to both sides of my equal sign. This gives us 10x equals 182. But I need x, so I have to divide by 10. That gives us x equals 18.2 degrees. We can fill that in right here, 18.2 degrees. Now to figure out this angle, all we have to do is put 18.2 in for x. Let me write the angle first, 5x minus 2. I put 18.2 in for x minus 2. 5 times 18.2 minus 2 turns out to be 89 degrees. Okay, angle C is 89 degrees. Let's find B. Now we could do it one of two ways. We could say 180 degrees minus 18.2 minus 89. There we are. And that will give it to us. Or we know that angle B is 4x. All we need to do is put 18.2 in for x and multiply. When we do that, we end up with 72.8 degrees. And we did it. Yay!